Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back. So if you're new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you will receive the latest notification of my videos. So basically this channel is about technology, and if you want to learn about technology, if you have any creed to learn about technology, and if you want to gain your knowledge about technology, then this channel is absolutely for you. So in this channel I am gonna tell you the amazing things about technology that you have never seen and hear. So without wasting our time, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you will receive the latest notification of my technological videos. After receiving the notification you are able to watch my videos, and after watching my videos the grade of your of watching the technological video and gaining your knowledge is fulfilled by my videos. So without wasting our time, let's get start our video. So as you have seen the title and thumbnail, that in today's video I am gonna tell you about how you can upload shorts on YouTube. So basically, first of all, you should have YouTube. Go on Play Store, search here YouTube. Simply you can download here YouTube, and it is already installed in my phone and I am opening. So after opening YouTube, so as you can see that I have already a channel, but for uploading shorts on YouTube or anything on YouTube, you should have a channel on YouTube. Otherwise you are not able to upload anything on YouTube. So uh, as you can see, there are at the bottom there are 5 buttons: home, shorts, and there is a plus button, and subscriptions and library. We will go on this plus button, and as you can see there are 4 options: create a short, upload a video, go live, and create a post. So as I am telling you about uploading a short, so simply you will click on create a short, and you can see that my camera is open, but I want to upload any video from my gallery. So I will go on this. So you can see there are some of my videos. For example, if I want to upload this video, I will click on this, and
लोचा लफड़ा और
okay,
जलेबी फाफड़ा
okay, click on this, and simply you can. And if you want to make video by your camera, then simply you will add sound from there. You can browse like these songs, and you can also set the timer. Maximum should be 60 seconds. You can upgrade your speed, playback, and you can beautify your face, and you can on flash, lightning, filters. Okay, there are many filters, and I want to upload this shot from my gallery. I will click on this, and simply it is processing now. Let's see how much time it will consume. So this is it, and we will click on this and next. So as you can see that this is visibility. My visibility is on private. I will click on public and go back. And if you want to give your location, you can give, for example, I am in Dubai, Dubai. So I will click on this, and this is any title which is your video contain. You can write here, for example, vlog, and earning, etc. And allow all comments, and simply upload short. And here I can see that how much time is remaining for uploading my shots. So here you can see that my shot is uploading, and it is 24 and 28 30% uploaded. So After some time my short will be uploaded on YouTube and you can see. So in this video I have tell you about how you can upload short on YouTube. Hope you guys like it. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. Meet you guys soon. Take care. Goodbye.